Okay, I'm going to repot Jade tree. It's been a couple years since it lives in this small pot, and I just realized that the root system needs to be expanded. It's too weak for this tree, so it will be much better for it in a larger pot. So let's get started. I have put some rocks here for better drainage in the root system. And as soon as current pot is much smaller and lower than a new one, I need to put some bedding on the bottom. So what kind of soil I'm going to use? Typical succulent soil, which expands with water. And potting mix, indoor potting mix. Basically, this jade tree right now is planted with regular potting mix, and it's absolutely fine. More succulent stuff, so you can see how succulent mix expands with water. So basically, 1 glass of succulent mix can expand up to 5 glasses of soil. Yeah, just to make it nicely wet, but at the same time crisp and mealy. So get this out of here, right? Making some space in between the roots and the pot. To make sure we get the tree easily out of it. Super easy. All right, and just to get rid of those extra tight soil. Now, yeah, you can see definitely how small this root system for this large and gorgeous tree. Now let's make some space here. Okay, now this beautiful tree in a new pot, nice and shiny and happy. Okay, let's take a look at this guy a few days later, and I can definitely see that it stretched its branches and it breathes now. See, even it started to throw small leaves. That's beautiful, just beautiful tree. Obviously, I need to trim it. I'll make it easy to grow a little bit more higher. And I can see that, for example, here there is a huge gap, and this side is much more heavier. It definitely needs a lot of attention. I want to make sure that it's reasonably loaded and not heavy weighted towards either direction. So in next video I'm going to trim this, and it's going to be discovery for somebody to see what may happen with pieces that actually been trimmed off, and I'm going to talk about this next time.